Okay? Ito yung account. Dito yung yung transaction. Halimbawa, kung sino yung inlulugan ito. Yun ang hinihingi nila, statement of account. Nandito din yan. Yan select option. Halimbawa, kailan yung kailan yung 30 days, kailan ba yung date na yon, or custom, i-start mo yung date kung kailan yan, which date this one. So you have to select, for example, 30 days. Yeah, submit request. It will be sent in the email of GCash. For example, for me, my email is joyasi7. It will be sent also here. Transaction. Yeah. You will see here, also here, the statement of account, notifications. You see, all here you can see all the date and the amount that you receive or sent date. You see, there's a date also. So this the one, the statement of account they are looking at. But if it's long time ago, it will transaction here. It's be easy. This one again. The profile or transaction, then this one. Okay, this one you have to click to choose the date or the within 60 days when is the transfer make. Submit request. It will be sent in the email, and then there's a format in email. For this one they already sent to my email. You have to download. See, there's a format to open. 92217. The last digit is for me is 3359. So you have to the password. Please make sure to for example, my last name, the owner of the GCash, and then the last digit. See, I will open this. Download. Yeah. Once I download, I will open. Then I will type my family name, Asis, and the last 4 digits of my number, and then I can able to see all the transfer that I received. Okay na ba yan? Titingnan nyo yan. Yan ang transaction history. Okay? Yeah, okay. Let's step that and then